Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will focus on changing the SMTP settings in the admin portal. By doing so, emails sent to clients and caseworkers will now use your own mail server as opposed to the default server used by Cerenade. The benefit of this is by using your own server, emails will be sent instantly and use your private server as opposed to our general server that handles thousands of accounts. And because of this, any issues with emailing such as delays can be fixed by instantly logging into your server and resetting things there. Let us log into the admin portal. From the admin portal, go to your application settings. Once inside your settings, go to the last tab on the right-hand side titled SMTP Mail Server Settings. By default, you will have the checkbox that says Use Default Mail Server. This is the one linked to Cerenade's mail server. By unchecking it, it is now up to you or your IT department to insert information below. We strongly recommend connecting to your mail server to view exact settings to avoid errors. You will first input the SMTP server address, the port number. Some port numbers use SSL. If it does, click on the checkbox below. If you insert a port number that uses SSL, but forget to click on the checkbox, it will not work. So be sure to check this if indeed the port number uses SSL. You will then insert the username and password you use to log into your server. And lastly, select the general email address that will be used for sending emails. It is important to note that these settings you see on this video should not be copied to your account, as this is a test account we are using. As mentioned, we strongly recommend connecting to your mail server to view exact settings to input. Once the info is applied, you can click on Send Test Emails. You will instantly receive 2 emails to the email provided. One that tells you this is a test email without attachments, and one with an attachment. If you have received both emails, you have succeeded and can finalize by clicking on Save. If you haven't, you may need to revise the info you input as something may be wrong. Once the issues have been fixed, repeat the process of sending test emails until you have received those emails confirming the settings are configured properly. You have now applied your own mail server. Anytime you need to send an email within the software, it will now use your own mail server. Your clients will now get an email that says it is from you, as opposed to the default email saying on behalf of you. If there are any issues with your client receiving an email, you can always check the logs in the client profile to confirm correct email addresses. If the addresses are correct, you can then log into your server to see if the email was bounced or to confirm if the email was sent successfully on your end. Thank you for watching.